Hey everybody, this is Ryan. I'm gonna give you an overview of what I would say, arguably, without question, is by far one of the best pre-workouts that I've ever used. And not just used once, I am a repeat customer when it comes to this pre-workout. Rich Piana's 5% Nutrition 5150. This thing ain't no joke, just keeping it real. Here's the reasons why. So if you are into the bodybuilding arena and that is your thing, you go to the gym, or you just have a crazy schedule and you don't sleep a lot, whatever the deal is, and you need something to get you going, you can't go wrong with Mr. Rich Piana and his 5150. This is the reason why. This bad boy has 400 milligrams of caffeine. Now you might be saying, holy mackerel, that is a lot of caffeine. Yes, it is. But from a dosing standpoint, this has 30 servings. Well, if you're thinking 400 milligrams, I do not need that. Yes, you could literally double your servings by only going half or 2/3 or whatever fits your tolerance and what you're trying to get out of a pre-workout. If you are from the standpoint of you have used pre-workouts over time and you create a tolerance and you crash, you don't get that from this. Again, it's very subjective, but pretty much tried everything under the sun and you don't get a crash, again, as far as I'm concerned. And it lasts all day long because there is a plethora of a whole bunch of different stimulants. I'm not gonna go into all of those, but they are on the label, which I'm sure you can look at this listing. But they're all broken out. And so if you're looking for something that, one, comes on quick, comes on strong, and more importantly, you can adjust your dosage based on knowing you can go up to 400 milligrams. I don't know why anyone would take more than that. That's just crazy talk. But you can adjust down and increase your serving size up. But the two big things that I like from this are, one, you don't get that crash, and two, it lasts an extended period of time. You know, so it's not like it wears off and you're like, oh man, I gotta pass out. It is, I don't know if they've re-upped the formula or whatever it is, but it is very powdery. So much so, I'm gonna show you what it looks like. A little taste test. So I'm gonna show you here from a mixability standpoint. You can see it in there. This just happens to be the blue ice. You might be thinking, oh, it just clumped down at the bottom. Oh no, contraire, watch this. With a couple mixes, so you can see here it does settle, but you're more likely gonna have this in a shaker bottle. But just to make a good visual of this, I'm gonna use it in a clear glass. Shaker bottle is even easier. And you can see there's a couple stragglers there at the bottom, but it mixes extremely well. And again, taste is subjective, but I have tried just about every flavor under the sun and they are all fantastic. Again, completely subjective. I'm trying to get the best results. Me personally could care less unless it's just as crazy horrible, which it is far from that. So you heard it here first. If you're looking for something, tastes great, mixes well, you don't get a crash. You have a lot of customization when it comes to the dosing. This just might be your new favorite pre-workout.